Hi, everyone. My name is Hannah Fox, and I am a customer support specialist here at ProSymmetry. Today, we'll be talking about the report management list area of Tempus. The report management list allows users to view their created reports within the Mine tab and reports that are shared with them in the All tab. In Tempus, you can create new reports, view the reports within a list view, access your own created reports and shared reports, search for reports, open created reports, and clone and delete existing reports. If you do not see the report management tile on your homepage, please reach out to your local administrator to see if they can grant you access to this area. So if you click on the report management tile on your homepage, you will either be taken into the report list area or the report folder area, but today we'll be discussing the report list. Within this view, you will see the different report writers above, which if you click into one, you can create a new report. And additionally, you will see a Mine and an All tab. It will be defaulted to the Mine tab, which is where you will be able to see any reports that you've already created. Within this area, you can also open your report by clicking into it, and here you can edit as well. Additionally, you can clone or delete reports as well. You can also search for any reports that exist in this tab as well. If you click on the All tab, you will see any reports that are shared with you from other users and any out-of-the-box reports that you have access to. For example, the timesheet status report, the timesheet audit report, and the skill matrix report. Each of these will be discussed in another video.